Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here and this is your first time, welcome. There's going to be 5 important rules that you need to master before you get started investing with your own hard-earned money. These 5 rules are going to lay a foundation for you that will set you up with success for the rest of your investing career. They're not to be taken lightly. They are extremely important, and if you deviate from these rules at all, you will lose money. You have to become disciplined, and these 5 rules will help you become disciplined. Now I'm going to give you these 5 rules in no order of importance. Each rule is as equally important as the rule before and the rule after. Rule number 1, be a free thinker. Don't take advice from somebody that you meet online, and don't take advice from somebody that you meet walking down the street. You have to do your own due diligence. Listen to what they say, but do your own research. If you listen to exactly what they say and do exactly as they suggest, then you're going to become to rely on that person. If it's a good tip and you make money, you will feel like you need that person and you won't know how to invest without them. You have to learn to do your own due diligence. The old saying, give a man a fish, feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish, feed him for a lifetime holds true here. In order for you to feel comfortable with your investments, you have to learn how to do your own due diligence and come up with your own conclusion about your investment. That is rule number 2, don't gamble. As I had previously stated, do your own due diligence. Do not put your money in a company that you are unsure about or know nothing about. It would be more fun to take your money and go to the casino and have a good night than to watch your money dwindle down to nothing because you made a bad investment. Rule number 3, a win is a win. You have to know when to take profits. There's nothing worse than seeing your investment up a couple percentage points just to see it decline the next day and be in the red. You have to take profits when you can. A small win will work its way up to a big win. Unless you know and start learning how to take your small wins, you'll never know how to take your big wins. Rule number 4, spread your money out. I know you've heard it 100 times, but I'm going to say it again because it's worth mentioning. Do not put all your money into one investment. If that investment suddenly goes flop, then you're going to lose all your money. If you have your money spread out over a couple different companies and build your portfolio, when one investment is doing bad, the other investments will pick it up. That is the only way to be successful in the stock market. Rule number 5, do not get emotionally attached to any investment. No matter how much time and effort you put into researching this company, and no matter how much you think you are right, you will never be 100% right 100% of the time. You need to learn how to utilize the tools that you have, such as your stop losses, that will protect your capital. A small loss every single day will eventually lead to the loss of all your money. Learn to walk away and cut your losses. Now there are many more rules that you're going to need to learn to be successful investing in the stock market, but these 5 rules will give you a solid foundation on which to build. Nothing is as strong as the foundation. These should be the 5 main rules that you start to master and start practicing right now. As always, thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button down below, turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos, and stay tuned. We're going to put out a whole bunch more videos to teach you how to be successful when investing in the stock market.